listening. Ignore the world, let the music cave in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some long knotless box braids on my friend's hair. Don't mind that I sound like this right now. I have allergies for like a couple of days now, but that's why my voice sounds raspy. But besides that, we're going to start off with freshly blow dried hair. We tried to dye her hair the color of the braids, or at least some type of red, but it came out a really dark burgundy. But she said she was fine with that, so we continued the braiding process. The products that I use for this is the Knotless hair that's in the color 530, a rat tail comb, some jam, and some hair oil. So as we start to proceed, the back of her hair is really short, so I had to braid down a few extra times that I normally would before I started adding more hair. As I'm braiding down, I'm trying to tuck her natural black hair or burgundy hair as much as possible. Okay, so what I do for the knotless braids, I pull out 3 pieces of hair, one bigger than the other. So I go small, medium, large, and then I proceed to braiding. I grab the 3 pieces of hair and I put the the smallest piece between my thumb and my pointer finger, and I braid down, and then I add the next piece of hair, and then I add the last piece of hair until everything's done, and then I continue to braid down, and then I switch the way I braid. I go from overhand to underhand once all 3 pieces of hair are finished getting inside the braid. Okay, so it's about maybe 10, I don't know, 12 hours later. We started braiding her hair at 4:30 p.m. and then we finished braiding at like 5:30 a.m. So we was really tired. Like I was about to fall out. And her butt was hurting. My arms were hurting. My feet, oh my goodness, my heels were on fire. But we finished, and then we realized in the end that we forgot to buy mousse. So we can't lay down her flyaways. But we left a piece of her edges out. That's why that part looked like that. We left some hair out for her edges so that she could lay them. But besides that, we were so tired that we decided to dip the hair and go to the store, get some mousse in the morning. So that's what we did, and then these are the final results. They came out really nice. And I was so tired, so the top part did not get as tight as I wanted them to get. And I didn't get to film the part where we put the mousse on her hair and oiled her scalp or dipped her hair in the water. So I apologize about that, but these are the final results. They came out really nice. They're long. She didn't want the ends trimmed that much, so I just cleaned them up a little bit, made them a little bit even, and I left them that way. And the reason that it took so long was because the hair type that we use, I usually braid with expression hair, and it's smoother and it's pre-stretched, so it takes a lot less time. But we use the Knotless hair because she wanted this specific color. She liked the way this color looked instead of how the expression hair color looked, so that's why we end up using this one. That's why it ended up taking so long, and we had to beat the knots because Knotless hair knots at the end, so it was a lot of fighting knots and a lot of stretching. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Big party at the West Indies. Welcome.